Hello everybody! Welcome to our channel. This is Crossroads Trikes in Salt Lake City, Utah. Today I am showing you the Indian Arrow kit from California Sidecar. Figured we've been building a ton of these lately and there's not much out there on these things, so I figured we'd kind of do a three-part video on this thing. We'll show you just kind of this intro here. We'll do like a mid-build video, and then we'll do a third video that's finished and going down the road and the whole thing. Show you how it sounds and all that stuff. But we'll be installing that kit on this 22 Chieftain. This Indian Arrow kit right here. This is the soft start reverse. Once it's engaged, you push the button and it slowly backs you up. It's not a jerky thing. It's soft, it's slow, and it's just about as good as it gets for backing up a trike. So reverse right here. We got just about every option with this kit, including these performance brakes. The red caliper is the performance brakes. You can see the rotor, the holes in it, and it really does do a good job of stopping you quickly with these performance brakes. These are the low profile tires. We have the 17-inch Anki wheels with this guy. Trailer hitch with this kit. And as with any California Sidecar kit, you will lose your exhaust and you'll use the California Sidecar exhaust, which sounds great. The Honda, the Indian, or the Harley, the exhaust, they've really done a good job at keeping that sound of these bikes. So this is the fully independent suspension kit. It comes with a 5-year warranty, the best in the business. And really, once we get these things built, we just don't see them back very often. Random issues here and there, blah, blah, blah. But again, with a 5-year warranty, you pretty much ride trouble-free for a long time. So that's the kit. This comes with a 525-pound spring with this guy. You can get a 650-pound, or I think it's a 775-pound spring with this as well. So if you're towing a trailer, or if you've got extra passengers, or whatever, you can also get the preload adjustment with this kit, which you can fine-tune your suspension if you've got a passenger or a trailer or whatever you need to do to adjust that. You can adjust that suspension. This is the body over here. This body, we have the light bar down here. Trunk inside is carpet. We have the light here, interior dome light. With this kit, we have the armrests. This bike will be installing the OEM Tour Pack. So with the armrests, you need to get the CSC mounts because you lose the rack, which hold the OEM armrests. So if you want to keep your armrests, you will get these optional armrests from California Sidecar. This has fender bras, fender protection. These snap off and on. These are the sports skirts here. You can get the swoop skirts for the older Indians to match the front fender. This matches that 22 Chieftain that we've got the best. So we've got these ones here. Now, the Tour Pack, the Chieftain doesn't come with a Tour Pack, but I got a Tour Pack for it. It is going to be really cool. But you will get, there's two bodies that you can get. You can get the Indian Tour Pack OEM, which fits the OEM Tour Pack. It's kind of a square. Or you can get the California Sidecar Tour Pack, which is a different body at the top because this Tour Pack is rounded. And we'll show you some pictures here at the end of the videos of the different styles, the Tour Packs, just the different kits that we've done over the years too. We'll show whether you want the CSC Tour Pack or you keep the OEM. But anyway, we'll do that video here down the road, and that's pretty much it. This is the first video of 3. Please tune in next time, and we'll have that bike torn down, and we'll show you a little bit more about putting this thing together. So thanks for tuning in. We're Crossroads Trikes, Salt Lake City, Utah. We are at 652 West Fine Drive. Our phone number is 801-266-9633. Thanks for tuning in, you guys. We'll see you next time. Ride safe.